Hello everybody, I am Shomu Gandhigiri. Welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss national list of essential medicines. Okay, see it's a list of medicine. Okay, where the essential medicines are incorporated. Okay, see first we have to learn what is essential medicine. See what is essential medicine. Essential medicines are the medicines those can satisfy the priority healthcare needs of a particular population. Okay, coming to the what is national list of essential medicine or NLEM. See, the national list of essential medicines is a list of basic medicines or essential medicines that satisfy the particular healthcare need of a majority of the population of a particular country. Okay, that means it's a country specific approach. Okay, see who also, I mean World Health Organization also prepare essential list of medicine. Okay, that is the model list of essential medicine. Okay, and the countries, different countries can take idea from that particular list of essential medicine. Okay, so coming to the basic history. See, Tanzania was the first country, okay, who developed the list of essential medicines in 1970. Okay, after that, who World Health Organization published their first essential list of medicine in 1977, which contain total 186 medicines. Then coming to the story of our country, I mean the India first made national list of essential medicines in 1996. Okay, and 279 medicines were there at that time. Then coming to the list of essential medicines made by our government. Okay, first list came in 1996. After that 2003 one list came in 2003. After that 2011 also a list came, and the latest list came in 2015. Okay, and up to 2018 total 851 medicines have been incorporated in the national list of essential medicine 2015. Okay, so here the detailed story about NLEM 2015. Okay, see it's a latest your national list of essential medicines. So the making committee, okay, you have to know about the making committee. I mean the who made that kind of list. Okay, see the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare made this list. Okay, and Dr. B.M. Katuz was the chairman of that particular committee. Okay, and Dr. Y.K. Gupta, he was also appointed as a vice chairman. Okay, so these two names are very important. So coming to the next slide, main criteria for inclusion of a medicine in NLEM 2015. See, there are many criteria. I have just listed out here some of the few. Okay, some of them. So the criteria are the medicine should be approved or licensed in India. This is a basic criteria. Then the medicine should be useful in disease which is a public health problem in India. It's an important point. Then the medicine should have proven efficacy and safety profile based on valid scientific evidence. It's also important. And then the medicine should be cost effective. Medicine should be cost effective, and the medicine should be aligned with the current treatment guidelines for that particular disease. Okay, it is also very important. Then the medicine should be stable under the storage condition of India. Okay, so these are the very basic criteria. Okay, and depending upon the medicines were included in NLEM 2015. Then coming to a very important point about NAPA. NAPA means your National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority. Okay, which is coming under in your Department of Pharmaceuticals. Department of Pharmaceuticals. Okay, and in 1997 it was established. Okay, and the Department of Pharmaceuticals are coming under the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. Okay, NAPA is an independent body to regulate the price of the drugs inside the territory of India. Okay, and it is also responsible to ensure availability and accessibility of the medicines at affordable prices inside the India. Okay, recall what is the function of CDSCO. The function of CDSCO is to regulate the drugs and medical device and biologics inside the India, and the NAPA has a specific function. I mean, NAPA is regulating the price of the drugs. Okay, I mean very specifically the price of the essential medicines. Okay, the price of the essential medicine. Oh, that is the basic difference between NAPA and your CDSU. Okay, so this is the end of our video. All of you, hope all of you like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.